Good day, everyone. It's Lance here, Heart and Soil Ridge. And today we just wanted to introduce you to some more of our farm animals. So we have Maria, we have Polly, and this would be her colt. Well, now he's a Penny. She's the queen bee. Pelly the Palomino, and then here's Remy or Remington. He's now a gelding, but Polly gave birth to him 2 springs ago. And then if you look way back, let's see, way back there, you can see our newest additions. We have Willie, the miniature on the left, Angel's the mama there in the middle, and then Coco. So we just got those here about a week ago. So these are most of our horses. So just a quick introduction. Oh, Remy, he's such a lover. Yeah, So we'll go take you on a quick other walk to show you the rest of the group out here in the pasture. Pig pig. Pig pig. Oh boy. These are Berkshire pigs. They're hungry. We use electric fence to keep them in. So those are our Berkshire pigs. They're getting pretty big too. Gonna be baking pork chops soon. So then let's maybe wrap up. It's a glorious fall day here. Let's see if we can find Chatty. Chatty! Hey, Chatty! Where are you, Chatty? Last year we had like nearly 40 of them. I jump over the fence here. But needed to make some changes, so we kept back Chatty and Kelsey. There you girls are. Chatty. Kelsey's up here by the truck. So, and then Talia's in the weeds. Talia! She's our guard dog. There she is. Hey, sweet girl. So she protects all of our babies. We've got about 3 dozen laying hens. You're a good girl, aren't you? Yeah. We protect our baby goats when they are born. The foals. So we'll kind of wrap up here with a quick intro to the rest of the group, at least out here. So here's Coco, the baby Coco, mama's Angel, and then Willie. He's 20, I think he's 21. We just got him, but he is so friendly. Coco and Angel. Willie. Kids get to ride him. Come on, sweeties. Hey, Willie. Look at those long ears. Willie. You want to come over here, Willie? Well, with that, we're going to sign off. So, thanks for taking along on our farm journey, and have a great day.